Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we shall do the number pattern. So what exactly are we doing is that depending on the number of rows there are, we will print numbers from 1 till that number of rows, and that series is decremented in each iteration. Now how to do that? Let us look at the code. Let us define a function def number that will take an input n for I in range. Since again this I loop is used to iterate or to find out the number of rows or the number of times we will have to iterate, we will take from 0 till n for j in range of 1 till n plus 1 minus I, print j end equals to empty and print for the new line. So what we are doing, we are using two loops. The external loop is to print how many times we will iterate over the lines, or how many times or how many rows we have to print, and this j statement prints the series, that is, it prints the 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3. This j statement does that. But to bring the j statement in each line, to do that we use this external I statement. So what happens is that once in each iteration of I, one line of series is printed by j, then again we use this print statement to go into the next line, then again we enter this for loop, and then we again start printing the series. This cycle continues. So once we give it the input number bracket 5, the value is printed. I hope this gives you an idea as to how this number pattern is printed. Thank you.